Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In the previous video, we have seen clinical thermometer, the construction of the clinical thermometer and how to use the thermometer to take the measurement of temperature. Now, we'll see laboratory thermometer. So, laboratory thermometer is also same like clinical thermometer, but it will be a bit long and also the width will be a bit more. Now, the range of the laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to the 110 degrees Celsius. So, here this laboratory thermometer do not have kink as we have seen in clinical thermometer. If anybody has not watched clinical thermometer video, I'll give link in the description. Please watch it so that you will understand. The kink will not be there, so that whenever you start taking the measurement by using laboratory thermometer, you have to take when it is placed in the container itself. Now see here, you can take one container, then fill the water from tap, put this laboratory thermometer in the container. The mercury level from the bulb, it starts raising. It will stop at one particular position, that will be the temperature of the tap water. In the same way, what you can do next, you have to take hot water, then place the laboratory thermometer in the hot water container so that you will have measurement again. It will stop at one particular point, that will be the temperature of that. Once you remove that from the container, you will observe the mercury level will be falling down immediately. This is the reason you cannot use this to take the measurement of human body, because once you keep the thermometer under the tongue, it will start increasing the mercury level, but as soon as you remove it from the tongue, the mercury level automatically falls down. We are unable to read the reading. If it is any lab experiments, you can place it and you can take the reading when it is inside itself. When you are placing the thermometer inside of any container, make sure the bulb fully immersed in the liquid what you are measuring, but the bulb should not touch the base of the container and also the walls of the container. I hope everybody understood this. So if it is clinical thermometer, if you remove it from the mouth also, sometimes till you read the reading, it will be there only, the mercury. Once you give the jerk, then only it starts falling down. Okay, so this is the laboratory thermometer. I hope everybody understood this. Please subscribe, like and share to the students those who are studying class 7 CBSE, and comment if you have any doubts so that I can understand what are the other videos I can make. Thank you.